to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to combine videos on any Android. For this you have to download an app. Go to Play Store. Then you can find out the app. You can use CapCut to combine videos, or you can use InShot. If you search in here, you can also combine videos using this app. Now I'm gonna show you combine videos on Android using this app. In here, if you tap on video, then tap on the plus icon. After that, tap on video and then find out the videos that you want to combine. For example, I'm gonna choose 3 of my videos. Then tap on the check mark. After that, you guys can see that the videos I have selected is already combined. Now, if you want to remove the watermark on this video, just tap on here and you can remove it free by watching ad. If you want to move the videos according to your choice, you can also do it. Just tap on the video and then you can find out the 3 videos of your, and then you can move it anywhere you like. For example, you can move it to middle, and also you can transfer it to the last video, and then you can also move any other video. For example, I'm gonna choose this video for starting and then tap on here again, and then you guys can find out the videos locations according to your choice. You can also cut the videos. Just tap on the video and then scroll like this and then tap on split, and then you can just tap on the part that you want to delete. Tap on delete and then you can crop the video. You can also crop it like this way. Then you just have to tap on save, and after that, if you tap on save again, this video will be saved on your gallery. And this is how you can combine videos on your Android device. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day to our videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.